Hey manufacturers, Lauren Liddell here with Motor City Spindle Repair. Today we're going to be talking about the crucial role preventative maintenance plays in your overall CNC spindle success. Section 1, preventing downtime. Unexpected downtime can be devastating. Regular spindle maintenance helps prevent those costly surprises. By identifying potential issues early, you minimize the risk of spindle failure and reduce downtime by up to 90%. Section 2, extending spindle life. Proper maintenance extends the life of your spindle, saving you money in the long run. Regular maintenance can double, even triple the lifespan of your spindle. Section 3, improving productivity and precision. Maintenance also ensures optimal spindle performance, critical for precision manufacturing. Well-maintained spindles boost productivity and quality, giving you a competitive edge. Section 4, identifying issues early. Regular checks help identify issues before they become major problems. Look for signs of wear, vibration, or temperature fluctuations. Catching issues early saves time and money. Don't wait until it's too late. Schedule your preventative, regular maintenance with Motor City Spindle Repair. We hope to work with you in the future and hear from you soon.